I'm here to file a case of VAUSI po, 9262 against my estranged husband, the sitting congressman of the District 1 of Parañaque, Congressman Eric Ortiz.
May we know ano po yung pwede ninyo masabing details kung ano po yung complaint po ninyo?
Well, this is under po 5E po, which is the psychological abuse po. So that's under the VAUSI po. So I will leave it at that po. So there are instances po that I was violated under 5E of VAUSI.
Ma'am, can you share kailan po nangyari?
It has been ongoing po ever since that we got married. However, lately lang po ako nag-decide to file the case against him. So, this is a continuing offenses po against me po by my former husband.
What gave you the courage na file the case?
There was an incident in my residence in Baguio that hindi lang po ako ang na-violate, kasama po ang aking anak. And I tried to go under the process po, legal process. Unfortunately po, nakikita ko that still up to now, nagagamit po ang posisyon po ng pagiging congressman sa kaso po ito. Kaya naisip ko po na I think it's high time for me to fight. I think it's high time na hindi po ako matakot sa posisyon